Alex, what does an event like this mean to you?
Cafe Europa basically is based on Cafe Europas that were set up after the Second World War in Europe, where people returning from the camps had a place to go to and try to look for their families. Roughly we have around 500 people at each event. After they register, they can get in there and sit at the table where he was born. That way he gets a chance to meet some people from his country. I hope that we could even have more of these events throughout the years, because the survivors do need, because many of them financially are not capable of going out places and so on, because they live at the poverty line.
And that, of course, is another way that Ruth Rales helps not with these events, but every single day.
Exactly. Ruth Rales, and I'm on the advisory committee of Ruth Rales that helps the survivors to get the funds. And Ruth Rales does all that work, and we have been doing it for about 15 years now.
Morris, what does a program like this mean to you?
Means to meet the certain people. We're always looking. It's going to be 70 years next year. We're still looking. And as long as our eyes are open, we're still looking to find somebody we knew from home. So,
have you met anyone through Cafe Europa?
yes, the ones I was in camp. The couple of people I was in camp together with. But
had you seen them before, or was it the first time you saw them when you came here?
The first time I saw them when I came here.
How did that feel?
Feels good that they survived too.
What do you have to say to people who have given funds to support events like this?
I praise them with the highest regards.
Well, hopefully we'll be able to continue to fund these programs for years into the future.
Thank you.
You told me that this is one of your favorite events.
I love to come to Cafe Europa. I belong to the Holocaust Survivor Club. We have a club in Century Village.
Okay.
And whenever they have a fair here, they let us know, send us invitations, and I love to come. I registered to the Jewish Federation,
right,
because I needed help. And they gave me a very good help, which I'm very happy. Have a very nice social worker.
I think it's just important for their socialization. They come here, they dress up, and see, they walk better. They're not with their walkers and canes, and they're just very happy to be here. They get their hair done, and it's a nice gathering.